Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I'm getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Calendly to your ThriveCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Calendly to your ThriveCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing coaching, you know that ThriveCart is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to connect your Calendly, it's going to be added on the product level. So for example, if you're selling coaching, you can have the product page in ThriveCart. That way your customers have to pay your fee. After they pay their fee, they can be routed into your Calendly calendar to go ahead and schedule their coaching call. So what you're going to do is here on the top, you're going to click on these horizontal lines. Once you do that, you're going to click here, create product. After you do that, you're going to click digital and create new product. Okay, so next you're going to go ahead and set up the product page. I'm not going to go into really detail on how to set up a product on ThriveCart, but I will give you a brief so that way you know how to connect your Calendly to ThriveCart. First, you're going to go ahead and name the product. So let's do coaching Calendly link. Okay. And then here we're going to leave it at English. I'm going to go ahead and make it live after we post it. After that, we're going to click next. Processors. This is how you're going to receive payments. I've already connected my PayPal. So let me go ahead and just activate PayPal. Okay. Next, you need to set up the pricing. So click here and set product price. I'm going to do a one-time fee. So one-time fee. And let's say that my coaching is $4.99. There's no trial period. And I'm going to click next and save. Okay, after that, we're going to click on next. Here you can go ahead and add an order bump. So if we're charging $4.99 for our consultation, maybe we can add a second consultation or follow-up consultation for $2.50 as a one-time offer. I'm not going to do that for this video, so let me click next. Bump rules doesn't apply because we didn't add a bump. Okay, so this is actually the most important part. So this is where you can go ahead and add your Calendly link. First, you want to go ahead and add your support email. So if you have any questions about your service, and then here, once you click on the drop down, what's going to happen after they make their purchase? So for my offer, after they pay $4.99, I'm going to have them routed directly into my Calendly scheduling. So I'm going to click here, send them to a URL. Okay, here is where you can go ahead and add your Calendly link. So here's my Calendly. I've already opened it up. Let me go ahead and grab my Calendly link to my calendar. And then we're going to come back here to ThriveCart and just paste it right in here. Okay, so if you want, you can set an expiration date, because what's going to happen is after their payment has been made, they're going to get an order confirmation. In that order confirmation, they're going to have a link they can click on. It's not going to be your Calendly link. It's going to be a ThriveCart link that then routes into your Calendly link. So that's how they can go ahead and make it expire. For me, I'm going to give them 1 week to set up that meeting on my Calendly, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, after that, you can add your Facebook Pixel or your Google Analytics if you wish to do so. I'm going to click on next. Here, you can go ahead and set up various automations. I'm not going to do that. So when you're finished, click here, save and get URL. Okay, next it brings me here. So here is my coaching link. So let me go ahead and copy this URL and let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so here is my coaching landing page. So they're going to need to fill this out, make their payment. After they've made their $4.99 payment, it's going to route them to a order confirmation. In that order confirmation, they're going to get a link that they can click on, and it'll go directly to my Calendly calendar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Calendly to your ThriveCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.